Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh Lord my God, you are great indeed. You are clothed with majesty and glory, wrapped in the light as with a cloud. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. You fix the earth upon its foundation, not to be moved forever. With the ocean as with a garment, you covered it. Above the mountains, the waters stood. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. You sent forth springs into the water courses that went among the mountains. Beside them the birds of heavens dwell. From among the branches they send forth their song. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. You water the mountains from your phalanx. The earth is replete with the fruit of your works. You raise grass for the cattle and vegetation for man's use, producing bread from the earth. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. How manifold are your works, O Lord! In wisdom you have wrought them all. The earth is full of your creatures. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Lord, send out your Spirit and renew the face of the earth. Lord, send